Have you ever wondered about the little box in your computer charger?
This little box is actually a transformer and is used to connect your computer to a wall socket, allowing it to charge.
But what is a transformer?
It is a device used for increasing or decreasing voltage or transferring electric power from one coil of wire to another through electromagnetic induction. A transformer is simply two coils of wire. There is a primary coil and a secondary coil. The primary coil is connected to the power source, so it is the input, and the secondary coil is the output. Whenever the primary switch is opened or closed, voltage is induced in the second current.
AC current is running through the primary, which causes change in the magnetic field. This changes the magnetic field of the secondary at the same rate. DC current cannot be used for a transformer because the current it produces only moves in one direction, whereas the AC current continuously changes the direction of the current, which causes the change in the magnetic field. The number of turns in the wire is directly proportional to the voltage induced. The more turns in the wire, the more voltage there will be. The less turns, the less voltage there will be. If the secondary has more turns than the primary, it will produce more voltage than the primary and the voltage will said to be stepped up. If the secondary has less turns than the primary, it will produce less voltage than the primary and the voltage will said to be stepped down. Here are a few formulas you need to know in order to understand transformers.
It's amazing how much transformers affect us in everyday life without notice. Every day we pass power lines but barely take a second look at the large silver cylinders attached to them. These transformers help power your house in a safe manner. In particular, they are step-up transformers so they increase the current as they pass through. For a house requires much more current than what is passed through the lines. This is because you do not want the power lines to overheat since current causes heat. Thus the transformer coils are therefore set up, meaning the primary coil has less loops than the secondary coil. When the current goes through the transformer, it increases.